savor the Southwest. Jacqueline Soul here today. I'm visiting a friend and she wanted to learn how to make Spanish rice. And it's really simple, and that's a whole nother video that we're gonna do. And the reason we're looking at this can of green chili enchilada sauce is because it's the quick way to make your Spanish rice, is using canned chilies or salsa or something. But today we got this out of her cupboard, and you'll notice it says 2006 is the best by date. And I'm filming this in 2022. So we've got a number of years past the best by date, and you look at it and you go, oh, the can's rusty. Oh, we got to throw it away. No, you don't. This is about food safety. Any can. Hey, even if it's before the best by date, you should always check your cans from the store and make sure there's no dents in them, and make sure the lids have not swollen up, because swollen lids is a sign that whatever is inside has gone bad and is trying to rupture the seal. So check the best by date, but don't be paranoid, okay? Food safety is important. So what I was showing you is top and bottom were just fine, sides were all just fine, but still it had been sitting on the shelf this way, right? So I turned it upside down and I opened the bottom. And the reason for doing that is this is something I found over time, is sometimes some of the food kind of in contact with the top of the can gets hardened. And it's not just chilies. I've seen this also with tomato sauce. So basically, open it from the bottom, and we poured it out in the measuring cup, and we're gonna start making Spanish rice, and that's another video. Thanks for watching. Savor the Southwest.